Hi, this is Tom of the University of Iowa. Let me show you how I like to fold a single piece of acrylic intraocular lens. Most important thing, of course, is making sure it's right side up. When it comes out of the package, it's right side up, but I like to just confirm that by comparing it to the picture on the back of the cartridge. You want to make sure that it's folded the right way. So the two sides should be coming up, and so I like to get that fold started using a straight tie as shown here. And I usually pull it back and get that leading haptic inside the taco that's formed by the optic. Push it forward so the taco is coming down and the two haptics are inside the taco. And then quickly, before it starts to unfold, use the Monarch injector, which goes along the bottom of the cartridge and pushes the lens forward. Should be very smooth as it goes in. Now if that leading haptic comes out, it's not a big deal. It's just the trailing haptic that you want to really make sure is tucked in. This is Tom at the University of Iowa. Thank you very much.